Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A56. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A56 and now you want to make a hard reset of your device, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to make sure that your device is connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via wire. So after that, you can easily do this via your lock screen or home screen. So let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to press and hold volume down button and the power button until your screen goes black, and then you have to shift volume down to volume up button. So let's see how. First, press volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes fully black. Just wait for it. It will take a while, and after that you just have to shift your volume down to volume up and it will open the BIOS of your phone. Now just release the buttons and wait for it, and you can see the BIOS has been come. Now you just have to make a setup. So let's see how. Now your touch is unable to use. You can use your touch. You just have to use these buttons: volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and the power button to select. So let's do this. First, you just have to select this option, which is wipe data factory reset. Just select volume down button, press it and go to this section, then press power button, and after that just press volume down button again, select factory data reset and then select the power button, and after that you just have to select reboot system. Now just press the power button and after that your phone will be reset. In this way you can easily make a hard reset of your phone, Samsung Galaxy A56. After that it will erase everything from your phone, your all data, files, videos, photos and all of your accounts. After doing the hard reset, you'll get a fresh new start of your phone. So that's how you can easily make hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.